have been feeding the black one for about 9 years, and the orange one for about 7.
Tell all about the one who ate the dryer sheets.
Oh, the gray one, we called him Smokey. We got him in the house by opening the back door, and he walked in. So did the black one, but before we got the door shut, the black one left. But the gray one we named Smokey. The grandson and I tamed him, but I caught him eating a dryer sheet one day. Then he got sick about a year maybe later, and I thought he ate a dryer sheet, but the vet said it was kidney cysts. So we only had him about 2 years.
How about that one you gave Diane?
Oh yeah, the calico one. Her name's Callie now. It's a cat that was in our yard. I took her in and gave her to my sister after her vet visit for shots and being spayed.
Yeah.
And then the granddog has a cat from our yard, which was a kitten when we first found it. And her name is Jasmine, and she went to Chicago to live after I had her get her shots and spayed.
What about, I'm trying to think of,
Percy?
oh, the campground kitty?
Yeah, the campground kitty was actually from Jubilee. We were in a campsite sitting around the campfire, and this cat kept coming up and wanting to lay on Dave's chest. So we brought her home, and she was the best cat.
That's the one I used to keep inside my sweatshirt.
Yes. She would come up to the fire, and she would sit underneath his blanket and his sweatshirt. And we know she was somebody's cat because she was already spayed.
Yeah.
So we know she was somebody's
Oh, that's the
cat.
one we took to the vet, and we called her,
It wasn't that cat. That
Oh,
was
it's-
Alice and became an Allen.
oh yeah. Remember the one that you brought home from the parking lot at school when you got off work? And
Oreo.
is that Oreo? He's the one that come up and I was working at my desk, and he laid on my shoe and died.
Yes. He had liver cancer, and the vet said that he wasn't in any pain, so we let him live out his life.
Oh.
He was a very good cat too.
Yeah. I just thought it was so sad that he laid on my shoe and died.
Yes.
I felt so bad because he wanted me to pick him up, and I was too busy working.
Yes.
What other kitties we had?
Another yellow one. There was a yellow one that we fed, and he got sick, so I took him inside. He didn't have a name because he was a feral cat, but I took him inside, and I was going to take him to the vet, but we didn't quite make it to the vet before he passed.
What about that one that we coaxed into the house with some kitty food, and then he jumped up on the counter and hid behind the microwave?
Oh, that was Smokey. That was the gray cat.
Oh yeah.
That was Smokey. When we first brought him in, he was very feral. It took us a while to tame him. Grandson and I would crawl under the table, and boy, this cat would sassy scratch at us. And then we took him to the vet to be neutered, and he got himself a bad mark at the vet's office.
Remember when he used to play with the Tinker Toys, or the little cars?
Matchbox cars.
Yeah, the Matchbox on the steps. And then Doreen would come over to feed the animals when we were gone, and she'd step on the cars on the steps.
Yeah, we put like one on every other step or so, and then he'd sit at the top of the steps and watch her. Sometimes I have to
referee the kitties.
referee because the black one is a slower eater than the other one.
Oh. Yeah, he won't let you touch him though.
No, he's still feral. You can get close to him, but he's still very feral.
Well, the orange one's out there sharpening his claws on the lawn chair. I don't know if you can see him or not. These are our great granddaughters. Halloween decorations out in the front yard. Oh, there goes the orange kitty. What did our neighbor name him?
Garfield.
Oh yeah, Garfield.
He likes to go for a walk with the dogs and me.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's always here when we open the front door. Okay, well, that's all about Julie's kitties. So thanks a lot, and please subscribe to our channel. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.